So yeah, hello everyone, my name is James Ferdinand and today I'm going to show you how to install some more material in Substance Painter. So after downloading the files, you're going to see this where which is begging you to export it, right? Export it there on the folder, download it, and then you will see these files .spsm. Those are small materials for Substance Painter. And then make sure Substance Painter is opened, and then open the shelf or asset folder, and then from there you will drag every file you will see there on your shelf folder, right? So after dragging all the files, you're gonna see a pop-up which will tell you, it will ask you which ones to import, which kind of asset you want it to be. But here, as they are SPM, they will automatically be detected as small material. Then choose your import your resources to library, because you don't want to import them every time you open a new project, right? So they will stay in your folder, and every time you search it in assets or shelves, they will be there, right? So for me, it's just with small materials and maybe tips on designer and then tips on painter. I can say, okay, they are a good quality for me. I use them for outfits and furniture and interior texturing and stuff. So yeah, please make sure you enjoy them, by the way. So yeah, right now they are 50% off if you want them. It's really a personal project. I didn't work for anyone. I woke up and then I chose to make these. So yeah, and I hope you're gonna enjoy them. If you kinda like them, and please leave a review on our station page. It's gonna help me to kind of boost the page. They're gonna be promoting my page everywhere, and how station works. But anyway, so yeah, as the video gonna keep playing, because this one is a voiceover. Enjoy the video and bye. Have a great day.